Imagine controlling your car anywhere. Yes, you heard that right. We are talking about using Starlink, the satellite internet system, to control your car in ways you've never thought possible. In today's video, we are diving into how Starlink could completely revolutionize how we drive. Stick around, you won't want to miss this. Now I know what you are thinking. Starlink for cars? Isn't that just for Wi-Fi? Well, you are about to see that it's way more than just an internet connection. We're talking about connecting your car to space, literally. So what's exactly a Starlink? It's SpaceX's satellite internet system that connects the world through low-orbit satellites. This means that even if you are in the middle of nowhere, you've got internet access. And that's where things get interesting for autonomous driving and connected cars. Using Starlink, your car could stay connected anywhere. No more losing signal in the middle of a road trip or an off-road adventure. Whether you're in a mountain pass or a desert highway, Starlink ensures a stable connection for both entertainment and car control. But hold on, it gets better. What if you could control your car remotely? Yep, that's right. Using Starlink, car manufacturers could potentially integrate this satellite network to allow users to start, stop, or even park their vehicles remotely, all from your phone. Imagine arriving at your destination and having your car ready to greet you automatically. Starlink's low-latency connection could also make autonomous driving smarter. With fast, reliable communication between satellites and your car, self-driving vehicles could receive real-time data about road trips, traffic updates, or even potential hazards in seconds. This opens up endless possibilities for safer and smarter driving. Instant alerts if there is any suspicious activity. Starlink could potentially revolutionize how we think about vehicle security too. So what's next? Well, we are only scratching the surface of what's possible. Imagine a future where your car doesn't just rely on GPS, but also can access satellite-based internet for real-time updates about weather, roadblocks, or even traffic. And the best part, it's global, no matter where you are. But hey, I want to know, would you trust a satellite connection to control your car? Do you think satellite technology will become a game changer in how we drive? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, and if you are excited to see more future techs like this, make sure to hit that subscribe button. Well, that's all for today. Stay tuned for more awesome insights into the future of technology and how it is changing our world. Thank you for watching, and drive safely.